on eBay the other day, I won 32 carving chisels. Unfortunately, the lady, it was meant to be 2 carving mallets as well. The lady couldn't find those, so she decided to throw in some stone carving chisels. It's just turned up, so let's see what I've got. Feels like it's in a biscuit tin. Well packaged. Oh, another layer. A nice old tin it's in. Right, let's have a look. Oh, they're all wrapped individually, so let's have a look in here first. Oh, nice, we've got an old wooden rule in Imperial, folding one. That seems really nice. We've got a couple of files. And then these are some of the stone carving chisels. They're really nice, actually. That's the one for a little Scotch comb. I think there's some combs as well. Another file, another little detail stone carving chisel. What we got here? Oh, onto some of the wood chisels. That's really nice. Got a nice shallow sweep on that, like a number 2 maybe. So got a number on there. I can't read that, but oh, it's Herring Bros. That's a nice make. Handle's a bit damaged, but I could soon replace that. That's really nice. Nice carving chisel. Another big one there. Looks like a number 4 or number 5 maybe. Sweep. Another Herring. Is it Herring Bros again? No, Taranti. Oh yeah, it's got number 5 written on it. Nice handle. This is pretty oak handle. Really nice. Cool. Oh, these are the other bits for the... Oh, there we go. Got some Scotch combs there, different sizes for the stone carving tools. You can see those. Move those to one side, I think that's the stone carving stuff done. And we've got a little tiny, oh, we've got a bradawl. Don't know if you counted that as one of the chisels. Oh, we've got a, what looks like a handle, but with a point in the end. This one's got a bit of wire, stop the handle splitting. I don't mind making new handles. Oh, nice little double beveled carving chisel though. Good for letter writing and stuff. Oh, I love the ferrule on there, that's metal. Oh, that's really nice. One of the reasons I bought this set was because it had some really nice handled tools in there. The trouble is you can end up with too many small carving chisels, which is probably where I am at the moment. So that's obviously a user-made handle. Kind of oblong, nice, nice little gouge. Not in bad condition actually. Won't take much to get that sharp again. That's just a little flat chisel. It says number 3 on there, but oh yeah, it's a slight gouge, ever so slight, but lovely. That looks like a converted carpenter's chisel probably, and then V-tool, nice condition actually. Go for the next lot. Oh. Oh, I got some nice, so that's a nice little kind of cranked one for detail. Same again, just a, well, not cranked that time, just a little detail chisel. These are great for some fine work. Loving the handles as well. Lots of kind of octagonal, but you know, they've been made not on a lathe, nice and square ones. It's nice to have different handles. I don't like having set to the same ones. So you've got 2 little kind of gouges, but with little cranks in them. They're great. got in here? Oh, it looks like this is where the interesting handles are. Oh, so that handle's completely broken. Looks like it could have been walnut, maybe. Let's see, replace that. Nice little gouge. And then, yeah, another little detail chisel. Lots of tiny chisels. They were sold as detail chisels. Love the handle on that one. Something different again. It's easy then when you've got lots out, you can spot which chisel you're using. That one kind of goes from octagonal to round, which is really nice as well. Little gouge. Yeah. Keep going with these. Oh, look at that one. So it's got like a ridges in the middle on the octagonal. A little burn mark in there. Obviously done that to differentiate so they can spot which one it is. So I've got a cranked tiny detail one that is, because it's probably about 1 mil big on the end. Won't take much sharpening at all. These aren't in bad nick. So no ferrule on this one, but nice interesting shaped handle again. Bit of a wider fishtail. Actually that would be could be quite good for kind of the serifs on carving words. Just a little flat chisel. Small gouge. Again, nice handle. I obviously made a few of these handles at the same time by the looks, so we did it. Oh, this is another one with a cool ferrule. Look at that. It's really nice. A cranked one. Gonna need to get another carving roll for these. Really fine detail one. Lovely octagonal handle again. There's the one. This is the one of the reasons I bought the set actually. So you got this V tool. Look at the handle on that and how different it is. I want to make some different handles for some of mine. Maybe change even some of the new ones over. But can you see the dots on that? It'd be really easy to find. That's hand. You know, they've turned that on the lathe and then they've carved the like kind of little dimples on it. Really easy to find. Slight crank, quite slight sweep to a V tool, and it's not unsharp. Be good for hand use. It fits in the hand nice actually. Then we've got a few more here. That one's got, you know, a bit of sapwood, bit of lightwood, just split a little bit, and that's little bent V tool. Not much left on that to sharpen up, but nice. And some fine detail gouges, different handles again. Getting down to the last few now. Oh, yeah, that one's no good. I don't think. He looks like he's snapped. Maybe I'll get someone to weld me a bit on that. Needs a longer tang. I think it's snapped in the handle actually. Never mind. That's fixable. Actually, I'm going somewhere today, so I might get them to weld me a bit on there, and I can grind it down, make it work as a carving chisel. A shame to waste it. So a little kind of bent skew. You see that? Little bent fishtail gouge. It's really nice. Just a simple handle on that one. All the handles seem to be stamped with, does it say? T Muck L. T Muck L. And the last one, quite like this shaped handle actually. And that's just a little kind of fine pointed chisel. Yeah. And the tin as well. That's really cool. So yeah, unboxing. First time I've done this, but quite enjoyed it.